Okay, here at the Emerald Hollow Gem Mine, we've got 3 ways of finding gemstones. We've got digging, creeking, and sluicing. Sluicing, you sit here in the covered sluiceway, it's $5 a person. You get 1 complimentary bucket to sluice through. Creeking allows you to go up and down the creek looking for gemstones in the creek itself. We do not allow any digging whatsoever on the banks, but you're more than welcome to dig in the creek itself. Dig down as deep as you can. A lot of heavier minerals are, pretty deep into the sediment of the creek, and that's $10 a person. And then we have digging, where you go up to the open pit dig site, you dig out your own buckets of dirt, bring them down here to the sluiceway, sluice through them, and that's $20 a person. If you don't have your own tools, we can rent those out to you.
All right, thank you very much.
And we can look at the top.
Go ahead.
Let's see, this is from the area. This is all the shiny flat stuff. All the flat shiny stuff, this is all mica. Underneath, you'll see this dark, almost looks like rust. That is limonite and anchorite. Anchorite is a crystallized form of iron ore. And then you also have all this red coating that you see, that is all a hematite coating. And then you've got these beautiful little mica clusters all over the backside as well. And this is a really valuable specimen. Something like this, God, I hate to put a price on this because we use this for display only, but something like this easily go for 20 or 30 bucks, just as a specimen. And then you've got, this is smoky quartz with chromilated muscovite, which is a type of mica. It has a tremendous amount of chromium, so it takes on a really nice green color. You've got clusters of mica here, and if you look, you'll see the smoky quartz has facing on the side, and that's where the where the stone actually crystallized. And this is a pretty piece. And this could be cut down into jewelry if you'd like to, but personally, I think this is just neater with the way it crystallized on the outside. This is some milky and smoky vein quartz from the area, with some hematite on the side, and it's stained with red clay. And the reason why it's got so many fractures is due to freezing, thawing, temperature variations of fracturing. Let's see. And this is another piece of vein quartz, but it's got some beautiful places where other minerals have eroded out of the side. And it looked like it had, looks like some hematite and anchorite, and there's probably some feldspar that completely eroded out. And this is just a good example of vein quartz, because you can see where the quartz grew in a vein and the other minerals crystallize on the outside. So if you do go up to the dig site, you're looking for veins of quartz, you're looking for tremendous amounts of mica, and you're wanting to bring the dirt alongside the veins because most of the minerals have eroded out into the loose soil. And this is malachite and azurite, and these are different forms of copper ore. They oxidize and it turns green. And this is stuff you can find, a piece like this you'll probably find in the Cutter's Choice, which is one of our $100 buckets. But we do have buckets that range from $5 all the way up to $1,000. So we have multiple buckets and multiple price ranges, and if there's something in particular to look Right, so far you've got agate here, you've got agate here. This is green aventurine, that would be amethyst. Blue aventurine, green aventurine here. Both of these are red jasper. These are yellow jasper. That would be a piece of brown jasper. That is green aventurine with spodumene mica. You've got red jasper here. This would be kind of like a red, pink, purple aventurine. It's one of those colors that's hard to nail down. That is rutilated quartz. And it's a rutilated milky quartz because you have your milky quartz here, and then you have the strands of rutile growing through it. This is carnelian agate, and you've got, what's nice is you've got the outer matrix, and then you can also see the inside of the stone as well. This is orange calcite. You've got little bits of biotite, and what looks to be little epidote crystals forming inside as well. That's a pretty stone. Then this would be brown jasper. This is clear quartz with a little bit of hematite coating on the outside. This one here would be moss agate. That is agate, and you've got Dalmatian jasper.
And these are?
These 3 here are emeralds.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Do you want to go hunting for gold? We have a gold mine claim on our Horse Mountain Ranch in Magdalena, New Mexico. The Horse Mountain Ranch is located about 17 miles from Interstate 25, exit 115, and approximately 28 miles south of Magdalena, New Mexico on State Road 107. This is a fairly large ranch. It's 41,546 acres. the total ranch size, with deeded state and Forest Service leases. Inside this ranch is a 50-acre mineral claim for gold, which we own. And we do allow people to go out and hunt for gold with a metal detector. You can pan for gold, but there's not much water, so you'd have to carry water with you. This ranch is a large cattle operation. It's at approximately 6,000 feet to 10,000 feet in elevation. The lower country is open, rolling terrain which slopes forward from the southeast to the northwest. The primary tree cover is cedar, juniper, pinyon, and oak at the lower elevation, with ponderosa pine, fir trees, white oak, cottonwood, walnut, and aspens at the higher elevations. There's not much rain at this ranch, so you don't have to worry about bringing a rain jacket. It's about, as I say, 30 to 45 minutes from Magdalena, where you will probably stay, or if you make arrangements, we can allow you to stay at the ranch. So if you want to come out to the ranch and search for gold, we have a gold mining opportunity for you. Give us a call at 215-651-8329 and ask for Bill at Highland Hill Farm. Thank you.